Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius are 7 and 6.5. HCl gases pass through water at 25 degrees Celsius till the resulting 1 liter solution which acquires pH of 3. Now 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole of NaCN are added to this solution. Also a fresh zero point 0.1 MCN solution has pH 5.1936. Now in the one part of solution obtained after addition of NaCN, 1 millimole of NaOH are added in the second part of the solution, zero point 0.5 millimole of HCl are added. The volume of HCl passed through the solution at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm is. In this question, the key concept is ionic equilibrium. Basically, if we talk about ionic equilibrium, these are the substances that dissociate in their constituent ion. Basically, ये क्या होते हैं? Dissociate हो जाते हैं. They dissociate into their constituent ions. Constituent ions in their aqueous solution. अपने aqueous solution में. Aqueous solution and thus conduct electricity in their aqueous solution and the molten state. इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Ionic equilibrium कहते हैं. Now, according to the question, what we have to do basically, pH of the solution after passage of HCl कितना दे रखा है? 3 दे रखा है. pH of HCl after the passage of solution after the passage of HCl हमें 3 दे रखा है. तो यानी H आयन कितना हो जाएगा? 10 raised to the power minus 3 molarity. और concentration of the HCl कितना हो जाएगा? इसका मतलब 10 raised to the power minus 3 molarity हो जाएगा. ओके. अब we know that हमारी जो आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन होती है that is PV is equals to nRT. तो यहाँ पर हमारा P कितना दे रखा है? 1 एटम इंटू वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू N कितना दिया है हमें? 10 रेज टू दी पावर माइनस 3 दे रखा है इंटू 0.0821 विच इज द कांस्टेंट इंटू टेम्परेचर 298 दे रखा है. तो यानी जो वॉल्यूम निकल के आएगा दैट विल बी 24.46 इंटू 10 रेज टू दी पावर माइनस 3 लीटर. और वी कैन सिंपली से 24.46 ml. तो ये हमारा क्या है? करेक्ट आंसर है. यानी कि जो ऑप्शन हमें दिया हुआ है 24.46 ml होना चाहिए. तो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So we can say that A will be the right answer. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.